This is the solar system 3D model. Left side shows inner planets: Mercury, Venus, Earth, and Mars. Right side shows outer planets: Jupiter, Saturn, Uranus, and Neptune. We can easily observe that inner planets move fast and outer planets move quite slow. This model is free to download, and Blender is also free, so you can download to your computer and observe carefully. This is planet position on January 1st, 2025. And this is planet position on January 1st, 2026. Exactly 1 year, of course, the Earth will be in the same position after orbiting one circle. The Mars orbits around half circle. The Jupiter orbits 30 degrees. The Saturn orbits 12 degrees. The Uranus orbits 4 degrees. The Neptune orbits 2 degrees. These 4 outer planets orbit quite slow. If you remember current position, you can easily estimate their position in near future. Mercury and Venus rotate very slow. Mars and Earth rotate almost same. Mars rotation period is 24.6 hours. Jupiter and Saturn rotate very fast. Jupiter rotation period is 9.8 hours. Saturn rotation period is 10.2 hours. Uranus is weird, no pattern on surface, so difficult to see its rotation. But actually Uranus rotate fast, the rotation period is 17 hours. I add some mark to Uranus, now we can see the rotation. Uranus rotation direction is different with other planets. Neptune rotation period is 16 hours.